Welcome to Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited. Within a single month, we've proudly dispatched intelligent Flexo printing machines and automatic liner insertion machines to our valued customers. Every dispatch is a reflection of the trust our customers place in our automation, engineering excellence, and reliable performance. Before every dispatch, each machine undergoes comprehensive performance testing using the customer's own fabric, ensuring the machine is perfectly calibrated, production-ready, and delivers the expected quality from the very first run. From precision manufacturing and rigorous quality inspections to secure packing, safe transportation, and on-time delivery, we ensure every machine reaches its destination in perfect condition and is ready to perform from day one. Our mission is to help PP woven bag manufacturers achieve higher productivity, consistent quality, reduced downtime, and sustainable business growth. And this is just the beginning. More machines are being manufactured, thoroughly tested, and prepared for dispatch every day.